Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 5th Yoga Part 6 Padmasana. Padmasana is came from the two Sanskrit words Padma and Asan. Padma means lotus and Asan means posture. It is called Padmasana. It is an important position for meditation. Procedure: sit on the floor with legs stretched out in front while keeping the spine erect. The right foot on the left thigh so that the heel of the right foot may touch the hip bone of the left thigh. Then lift the left foot and in the same way keep it on the right thigh. The backbone should be straight and erect. Place your arm on the knees and eyes should be closed. Benefits of the Padmasana. First, it helps in improving the concentration power and it will calms the brain also. Second, Padmasana increases the focus of mind and concentration. Third, it helps in improving body posture. Fourth, it helps to reduce the unwanted fat of hip and the thigh. Fifth, it helps in reducing blood pressure and muscular tension. Sixth, it helps to relax the body. Seventh, it helps to improve digestion. Caution: first, always use a yoga mat or a cushion or a carpet while sitting on the floor. Second, individuals who suffer from sciatica or weak or injured knees should not practice this asana. Third, do not perform this asana if anyone suffering from severe back pain. Fourth, this asana should not be practiced until you have good flexibility of your knees. Sasankasana. The word Sasankasana is came from the two Sanskrit words Sasank and Asan. Sasank means hair and Asan means pose, mean posture. This asana called Sasankasana. Procedure: sit down in Vajrasana, place the palms on the thigh just on top of the knees. Keep them straight and shoulder width apart. Exhale while bending the trunk forward from the hips, keeping the arms and head straight. Then hands and forehead should rest on the floor in front of the knees. Bend the arms slightly so that they are fully relaxed and left the elbow rest on the floor. Perform 3 to 5 rounds. Benefits of the Sasankasana. First, it helps to relax the nervous system. Second, it helps to eliminate anger and has a cooling effect on the brain. Third, it controls diabetes. Fourth, it helps to relieve fatigue and promotes concentration of mind. Fifth, it increases the memory power. Sixth, it is a very good pose to meditate in as it is relaxing and comfortable to remain in for long periods of time. Caution: first, always use a yoga mat or a carpet while sitting on the floor. Second, when take the head down, see that don't raise the buttocks of the floor. Third, individuals who are suffering from high blood pressure or sleep disc should not perform this asana. Okay, thanks to all.